What's up everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust your headlight beams. This is going to be a short video because I'm not going to do that because I don't need to, but I'm gonna show you where are the adjustments to do it. So you need to go to the back side of your headlight. In both headlights are in the same spot, the adjustment. So you are going to go in here and you are going to see this bolt right here. This I think is the vertical adjustment. I don't know if it's the vertical or the horizontal adjustment. Right here you can see right here, and here is the other adjustment. Here you can see right here, right in here, this one right here is the other adjustment. As I said, I don't know if this one is the vertical or the horizontal, and that's the same, but this one and this one are the adjustment. I never had to do this in my car, so you are going anyways, you are going to mess with this and you are gonna find out what is what. So now you know where are the adjustments, but if you want to do this the right way, just find a video of the measurements that you need to take with the wall on your car, the distance in here, to make sure the headlight beams is in the right position. So just search a video in YouTube of how to do it, how to do that with the measurements and everything you need to do in the wall to adjust the headlight beam. There are a ton of video of how to do that. You only need to search one and do it, and you already have this video to know where are the adjustments in the headlight of your Mitsubishi Lancer. So leave in the comment where is the vertical and the horizontal adjustment, if it's this one right here or that one over there. And I hope this video was helpful. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.